In this video, we can talk about how to get your Manus AI agent invitation code. So the only thing you have to actually do right here is get started, then join the waitlist because the codes are really rare. They don't just give it out to the general public. Even I cannot find general codes for you guys or free accounts because it's a one-time invitation code. It's not an invitation code where I have one invitation code that's going to be used for many people. No, it's not like that. They will have to check why you're using it and why do you need it. So they only actually filter people out that are using it for a purpose. So you place your email, what you want it to do, your profession, your work email, and your social media account. You submit the request, and that's the only way you can get your Manus AI agent invitation code because it's just not given to the general public at all. So there you go guys, if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.